Hey there, today we are outside and I am joined by guinea pigs, but I am excited because my new Webkinz has come. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I know the new pets, a lot of people don't like them, but I disagree. Well, with most of them. This actually was not supposed to come yet today, but it is here. I'm not disappointed. I think it was supposed to come in 2 weeks and it's obviously early. Oh, there we go. And here is the iconic box. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Let's see if I can get it out of the other box. The box inside the box, and that box inside that box. Woo! Look at this. I don't know what else to do besides open this, I guess. Woo! I love the tissue paper. That is beautiful. My sister is being a helping hand and foot. I felt that fur. That is this is the softest thing I have ever felt. Oh my goodness. Let's fluff him up. Oh my goodness. People always talk about how high quality these are, and yeah. This is way too high quality. I mean, look at that. Here is the classic code so I can adopt him. And his name is Azurite. Is that a girl name? Is it even a name? I don't know, but I got this collar for him. So here's the collar. It's a really nice fit. And this fur in front of his eyes is bugging me. Let me just take care of that. Okay, and here is the booty patch. It's a heart. And my sister just cried in the background. Wait, they changed it. The saddest part about the new Webkinz is they got rid of the W. There's no W. Ooh, the paws are soft. Yeah, that's probably the hardest part for me. And the tag, they don't have the other iconic tag. But that's okay. It's okay. I will adopt him in Webkinz Classic. Let's go. Hi, I hope you can hear me right now because... yeah. Calm down.
Please enter the adoption code that came with your pet.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now all we need to know before we can send this pet home with you is their name and whether they are a boy or a girl.
Ah, he looks so cute. Okay. Thank you. Yay!
Congratulations!
Ah.
Kate, you can stop talking now. Thank you.
I actually need to go buy you clothes.
Welcome back to the Kin Style Outlet. We've got all of this season's stunning styles.
Stunning styles.
Some bottoms. I'm just gonna get these normal black pants because all I wear in real life is black pants. And I also, these ones are good. Okay. Get some shoes, I guess. These will probably go with it. Don't care. Hats. Maybe I'll put on a hat. This purple one will go with it.
I don't know how this is gonna look. I'm probably gonna change this later.
It's a bunch. You are one cool customer.
Well, thank you. I didn't want to put a snowman fridge there. No! Let's see what is in this box. Oh, wow. I'm gonna do it. I don't care. I'll spend all my money on all this stuff. I don't care. I've been waiting to try out this. Okay, that's good enough for now.
The wheel of wow!
The wheel of wow! Thank you! Sleep tight. This is the gray tabby cat, new Webkinz, and if you have the money, I definitely recommend this pet. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.
Goodbye.